Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? I have a quick video on launch control and line lock. So yesterday I went out to do a video for you guys on line lock. Unfortunately, the place I wanted to go and test the feature, it wasn't accessible. And I just didn't think it was a good idea. So it was a two-part video. I wanted to, do a video on some sounds and such, and then test launch control for you guys. So I will have that coming out hopefully in the next couple of days. I'm looking to find another location where I live that will allow me space and be open enough so that it can safely be done and without complaint. So that is coming. Just stay tuned for that. So I just wanted to kind of get a sense from you guys, those of you who own the 6th gen Camaro, how many of you utilize your launch controls and line lock features. I know on the track, line lock is great for warming up the tires, line lock rather, and launch control is good, to get the best power off the line, etc., etc. And I know you can, adjust the RPMs, adjust the slip control, slip target. So there's a lot of features that I have yet to try. Again, my car is only just around 1,100 miles. It's just not even fully broken in yet. So I wanted to do a quick line lock launch, just to demonstrate for you guys and give me a little experience with it. So that is coming. Just stay tuned for that. I'm excited. Should be pretty fun. I know that from watching other YouTubers with the same car, same generation, they have, completely, they've completely, been able to demonstrate the feature and, give a look at the before and afters, utilizing, with launch, without launch, and showing the differences. So to me, I'm hoping that I can do the same for my group of people out there, and also for me as an enthusiast and a car lover, specifically the Camaro and this car. I'm hoping I could share a similar story with you guys, just so that you can see how it works and how it works on the 6th gen. I know that other vehicles have it. The Mustang had it in 2015. Since then, there's been other cars that have come out with line lock, Challenger, and so forth. But on this, specifically on the Camaro, I'm interested to see how it functions and what type of gains you get utilizing that feature. So it's coming. Stay tuned. Hope everyone is enjoying their Sunday afternoon, and stay well, and I will speak to you soon. That video should be coming within the next couple of days, and just look out for it. Please comment, share, like on my videos. It certainly supports the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. We're at 211 subscribers now, and looks like we're picking up a few people every day, so that's good news. Stay in touch, and please, if you have comments, I'd love to hear from you, and I always respond. So remember that I will always respond to your comments. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.